religion that says that
Elias!
How did that in Islam when Moses preached Islam when Jesus
No.
Moses preached about Jesus. So Moses came to the Jews.
Define Islam. Define Islam.
Elias! The first five, Elias, I could help you. The first five books were written by Moses. They are here. They are in English.
Get the Jews.
Tell me
Get the Jews and tell them to
precisely
pray.
how
Get the
Moses
Jews.
preached Islam.
How?
No. You can take 2 minutes if you want. Go through this and tell me how Moses preached Islam.
So Moses got the oneness of God. That's what he preached. That's Islam.
Is that what Moses preached?
Yes, he did. Ask the Hebrews.
Moses preached the oneness of the Lord.
Hebrews say that they worship the one God. If
Is that
Jesus
what-
was God, the
Elias,
Hebrew text will say Jesus.
Is that what Moses
not
preached?
the prophet.
Moses preached
Ask yourself.
oneness of the Lord. Monotheism. That's Islam.
Elias, how much
What
have
is
you
Islam?
have you read from Moses?
I read most of it. Answer me.
I know what he preached. I've never read the
Question. How much have you read from Moses' works?
Most of it I
A
did.
bit, not most, not much, but a bit.
The Torah,
Yes, I read it.
Bereshit, Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy. Have you read any of these?
They're not even part of the Torah. What are you talking about? The Hebrews is just one text. That's the Torah.
It's the New Testament, whatever book you call that. New Testament.
I'm talking about Moses. You were talking about Moses.
Moses, Torah, yeah, Torah.
Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy. Have you read any of that?
So now you got a whole book about numbers.
Which some have you read?
I've not read all of it.
I read the Torah.
Elias, please be honest.
I'll be honest, I've not read
Elias.
much of it. But I know Moses preached just what all other prophets preach.
This is Moses' writing. Tell me where he preaches.
So Moses wrote the Bible and then passed it down to generations. Is that what you're saying?
I'm not looking into it. I know all prophets preach.
Tell me what you want me to read. Give me a page.
Have you read from Moses? I'll teach you.
Yes, I
I'll
read
tell
the
you.
Torah. I studied under the Torah. Thank you, Pastor. Tell me.
Eugene,
What did it say?
what did Moses preach?
So Moses.
Elias wants to know. He thinks Moses preached Islam. Let's try and see.
Monotheism equal Islam. What does it preach? Monotheism.
I'm going there. Elias, I'm going there.
Please tell
What
us.
did Moses preach?
Please tell us, brother.
Let me read.
To worship the one
Moses
God.
preached war. He preached war. Because he was
Please
Let him say.
Told the Jews to rise up against the Ottomans.
What did Moses preach?
war.
Moses gave to humanity what is called the Torah, which is translated as the law of the Lord.
No.
Together, the 5 books are the Constitution, the Civil Code, and the Criminal Code. The law. It's a book of law, and it has a preamble, like a summary at the summary, and that is what we call the 10 Commandments. Let us go through what the 10 Commandments say. The first commandment. And Elohim spoke all these words. God spoke all these words, saying, Moses writes, I am Yahweh your God. Yahweh your God.
Not Allah.
Brought
Not
you,
Allah.
who brought you out of Egypt.
Not Allah, though.
Elias, please listen.
Yeah.
I am Yahweh your God,
Who said that?
who brought you out of the land of Egypt,
The rule of my
out
heart.
of the house of bondage.
The rule of my heart.
You shall have no
How
other
did
gods
Moses
before you,
communicate to
before
God?
me.
In your Bible, tell me, how did Moses communicate?
Elias,
No, he was answering that question.
Elias, 1 second. You shall have no other God before me. Moses also. What? Elias, you need to listen, please.
When the Torah says only worship me,
He's
so why do you
answering his
worship Christ?
question.
You need to listen
Yeah.
to Moses.
It's for Torah, you don't even recite it. Can't pick and choose me.
He's answering his question. Yeah.
Moses also went on to write what is called Devarim.
Can we pause? He didn't say Allah. Because he said he preached Allah.
Did he use the word for God that Moses used?
It's not the word for God. Elohim.
Elohim. That's God.
Excuse me. No. Elias, you're showing desperation now. You're showing desperation now. Wait and listen, please.
You know that name comes from the
The
Egyptians.
same Moses went on to give what is called the Devarim. Please listen. To give what is called the Devarim. Listening to someone who doesn't know doesn't give you knowledge.
This is man-made.
Devarim, Deuteronomy,
How can-
chapter
how can
13.
Moses write a book?
He says, if there arises among you, Israel, if there arises a prophet or a dreamer of dreams, and he gives you a sign or a wonder, and the sign or the wonder comes to pass, someone who works out a miracle, sign, wonder, and it comes to pass, of which he spoke to you, saying, let us go after other gods. Go after other gods which you have not known.
Your God doesn't know the gods. So your Bible means
Let us go after other gods
Which you have not known.
which you have not known,
Yeah.
and let us serve them.
The Egyptian God.
You,
You're saying Moses said if they show you miracles,
Elias,
go to other gods.
please listen. You can ask your questions.
You're confusing me now.
You can ask your questions in 2 minutes.
Man-made,
But
man-made,
please
man-made.
listen. If someone comes, signs and wonders, and he says, let us go after other gods which you have not known, and let us serve them, you shall not listen to the words of that prophet or that dreamer of dreams.
So the Jews
For the Yahweh, your Elohim,
Yahweh.
is testing you to know whether you love the Lord. Yahweh, your Elohim, with all your heart and all your soul.
But you use
You shall walk after the Yahweh, your Elohim.
different name for gods. Yahweh, Elohim.
Elias,
Explain that. I don't-
Elias,
Explain
I'm
that.
coming there. How many person is he?
According to you, he's five.
He is one person. But what is his name? What is your name, brother?
I don't know.
Eugene.
Yahweh.
His name is Eugene. How many person am I?
Oh, I don't know.
And my name is Arul. God of Israel says his name, he ought to be identified through his name. Desperation. When people don't know, that's what they do.
Yeah.
Because they are
Yeah.
desperate.
Yeah.
Can't
Yeah.
deal with knowledge.
Yeah.
What color was Christ?
God of Moses.
There's no knowledge here. There's no knowledge.
God of Moses says
Man-made.
his name is Yahweh.
Why do you worship Jesus?
Yahweh.
Jesus is not
And he
Yahweh.
says, one second. And he says, if anyone comes and tells you it's some other name,
Hold on, let
do
him
not go
answer.
after.
Hold on.
Right through the time of the Bible,
So the Bible
name of God, the chief personal name of God is Yahweh.
So why do you worship Jesus?
What is also called Ashireye. Yahweh shaves Yahushua.
So Yahweh is the Elohim you're talking about.
Exactly.
You need to address the fact that
Elohim.
he wasn't Allah.
That's true. Elohim is a generic word. It's like your name is Elias.
That means if you translate
One second.
in English God, in whatever language, Spanish, whatever, different terms for God.
That's the name. No, that's
For Islam,
Elias.
Arabic language.
Elias, you missed the point.
What's the point, God?
His name is Eugene.
I don't care about name. I know
Try-
God's name. What was written in Aramaic?
Try and translate his name to any other language. What would you get?
La.
You translate
La.
that right now, sir.
Aramaic means
Yahweh,
la.
Elias.
So God came
Yahweh is not the title.
But you give Elohim another name.
No,
Yeah, you
listen,
give- it's
please.
Yahweh.
Listen, please. Elohim is the title.
Shashem.
Which is,
Shashem.
listen, please. Elohim is the title.
It's not that
which is
difficult.
amenable to be translated. That is like the word God.
What translation?
You can translate that.
I'm
One
not going away
second.
from
You
what
can translate
translation?
Elohim
To what
into the
translation?
word God
No, it doesn't.
in English.
So where does
It doesn't.
Yahweh come from then?
In English.
Yahweh is a name. It's not a title.
You gave
What
that
is your name, brother?
Yeah. Eugene.
Confused that.
What's your brother? What's your name in French?
In French is
Eugene.
confusal.
What's your name is German.
He doesn't know. He doesn't know.
Again, something like that.
If you go to Nigeria, what's your name?
I wouldn't know.
Well, what would your name
When you
be?
go to
In Italian,
Egypt,
Eugenio.
Israel, what is your name in Hebrew? In Aramaic.
I don't know.
Yahweh. And Allah,
Aramaic.
the Quran.
Christian.
One second.
Arabic Christian.
Elias,
Allah.
Muhammad does not know this name.
Yes, he does.
Yeah, Mohammed
Elias.
does not know Yahweh. No.
Muhammad,
Because yeah, he never
one second, brother. Muhammad does not. One second.
You can't quote him.
Muhammad does not know this name. Did you know why?
That's not the name, you idiot.
Did you know why?
Allah.
Because he did not know this God.
Yeah.
Because he did not know the God, he did not know him. Know his name. So Muhammad is not a prophet of Yahweh.
Why?
He's not.
Why?
Well, one cannot be a prophet without knowing the God who is sending him.
Okay, so
Clearly Muhammad did not have a clue.
If Muhammad wasn't a prophet or he was not carrying the message of the Lord, then Islam wouldn't have spread. Because look how many people are creating religions.
How many?
By the sword.
How many?
I've been made victorious by the sword. By the sword.
No, wait a second. What is your... Elias, I don't understand what you're talking about now.
Ask the Christians there how they got Christianity.
No, no,
The
no, no.
mothers and daughters were
We're
raped
not.
by your
He
Christians.
said, he
Do
made
not
a
talk about
statement.
the sword.
Eugene,
He
Do not
made
talk
a
about the sword.
statement.
Eugene, ignore him.
Your Christianity
Coming to
was
him.
spread by the sword.
He is making an argument
Be
there.
less aggressive, please. Be less aggressive. Be less aggressive. You're scaring me now. I don't know if you take a sword out.
So the argument that Elias
I
is
have
making...
been made victorious by the sword.
No,
He said it.
that was
Muhammad said it.
Christianity. No.
Eugene,
Muhammad
no.
said it.
Eugene, the argument that Elias is making
Yeah.
is that if Muhammad wasn't sent by the true God,
Yeah.
then 1 billion plus people would not be following him. Is his point. There are likewise...
Arabic.
1 second. Likewise...
You don't understand Latin or Hebrew.
Likewise...
Stay down.
Listen, listen.
Elias.
Listen, listen.
One second.
That is not what Jesus
One second.
That is not what Jesus
Brother, 1 second.
Because you're stupid.
There are about 1 billion
Yeah.
Hindus
Hindus.
in the world today.
Yes. Yeah.
Does that mean Hinduism is true according to you?
According to your
No,
logic.
no, 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 no. Answer, please.
Yeah. Fair question. Yeah.
If Islam is true,
Yeah.
just because there are 1 billion Muslims, then Hinduism must be true.
True also.
Then no, 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 no. Buddhism must be true.
You're talking about Muhammad being sent by the God, but you're saying created.
Muhammad, I said, was never sent by the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob.
Never.
Can you say that?
Never.
I am saying that because Muhammad did not have a clue.
You said Hindus will follow 1 billion followers, 1 billion followers, but they preach.
When did Muhammad meet? When did Muhammad meet the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob?
The first heaven.
When?
When he went up to heaven.
That is a
When did Muhammad meet the God of Abraham, Isaac,
He never
and
met
Jacob?
him. He never.
When did Jesus meet himself? How did Jesus meet himself? If Jesus is God, how did Jesus meet himself?
He is the
Stop.
son.
How did Jesus meet himself?
Bit of noise
How
pollution
did
from here,
Jesus-
please. When he went to Jerusalem,
All the other prophets as well. Jesus,
did he meet God?
He did meet God. How did Jesus meet
Did he meet
himself?
the God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob?
he met the Almighty One.
Can I tell you something?
I believe.
Elias, can I tell you something, please? Clearly, the Bible contradicts with the Quran. Clearly. Only one can be true. No, 1 second. 1 second. Obviously, only one can be true. If at all any of these is true. Only one.